morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. You know how we went to Galpin Autosports the other day, and my friend Alex was like, I think I want to buy a Raptor. And I was super jealous because I have always wanted the brand new Raptor. Well, he found one for a really good price in another state, and boom, the guy shows up the other day. We're playing on Taylor's simulator. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, check it out at Vehicle Virgins. I played on his $40,000 simulator, and regardless, he just shows up in this Raptor. And I gotta say two things. One, congratulations, Alex. This truck is so sick. And two, I am extraordinarily jealous. So the plan for the day is to off-road this thing and just have a bunch of fun. Well, we've made about 3 seconds in the Raptor and we've already ran out of gas, unfortunately. In reality, with the EcoBoost instead of that V8, yes, the V8 sounds better. Yes, maybe off the line, it has that instant response, but this car makes more power, it makes more torque, and the fact that it gets 15 in the city and 18 on the highway is actually really impressive for such a large vehicle, such a capable off-road vehicle, and to be honest, this thing looks simply bad. Most of the people driving these in LA, and I know Alex isn't one of those people, drive these to look cool, and they look cool as but if you actually use, is there another one? There's a Raptor right there with a V8. That is all. But what's interesting is it costs over $100 or around $100 to fill this thing up. We're already at 85 bucks. And this had a quarter tank of fuel in it already. That being said, with a vehicle like this, if you're caring about fuel economy, you bought the wrong vehicle. This thing is for a heck of a lot of fun. It's a comfortable daily driver, and we're about to off-road the crap out of it. Okay, this is hilarious. I told Alex, I'm like, watch this. It's probably gonna be about 85 bucks because you got 3/4 of a tank. It's gonna be around 100 for a full tank. Well, we found out, and this isn't the first time I've heard this. I just recalled talking to my buddy Hunter that a lot of gas stations actually have a limit to how much you can spend at the tank. So the truck actually isn't full. He spent $85 of gas and the tank is not full. He literally capped out the total amount you can spend at one time at this gas station. All right, we are finding random spots to off-road. We thought we had a good place, but it turns out, unfortunately, it was private property. So we're looking at all the signs. We're making sure it's legal. And so far, so good. One of the sickest parts of the Raptor is that it has 6 different driving modes. So now, I'm gonna preface this by saying me and Alex are not off-road champions by any means. In fact, we are limited to you potentially never, and me doing off-roading once with Becca in a Jeep. So I apologize in advance for the tomfoolery that's about to ensue. What do we got going on? Mud and sand could be relevant. So of the 6 different driving modes, we are likely to run in the mud and sand setting, but my personal favorite is Baja Mode. So Baja Mode does a couple of cool things. One, it holds the RPMs higher up so that the turbos are always spooled. If you need to get out of a sticky situation, boom, you're ready to go. But the other cool thing that's very unique and something that I've never experienced driving a normal day-to-day car is that Baja Mode actually limits the ABS on the F-150 Raptor. Now, why would you limit ABS? It's a technology that helps make your car safer. Well, in a sand environment, you actually don't want ABS because you can actually floor the brake. When in Baja Mode, the wheels lock up, and when these giant BF Goodrich tires lock up, it actually digs into the sand and slows it faster than if the pedal was pulsating, trying to make sure that the tires don't lock up.
One of the things I found out on watching a bunch of YouTube videos is that it has this off-road status meter here, where when you click it, it shows the degrees in which your car is standing, whether it's pivoted forward, back, left or right, and it shows the angle of your wheel rotation.
This way, if you send like a 60% grade, which isn't possible, I used to snowboard all the time, so I know that like 60 to 62% snow no longer sticks to a mountain. So if we're going something steep enough that snow no longer sticks, we probably got a problem. But we're at 4 degrees right now. It actually kind of looks like a decent incline, and that's only 4 degrees.
Yep. Yeah, well, on the fast lane trucks, they did like a 29-degree one. And that
what?
That one's like harsh.
Awesome, yeah! We're at 14 degrees. I love you guys, fast lane car, but we got 14, but they did 29. That's insane. Wow. All right, Loki, this is dope. Okay, I can see the comments already from all of you off-road prowess beasts. One, I need to get to learn how to off-road because this stuff is actually a ton of fun. He literally took delivery of this thing yesterday, so this is our first time seeing it, taking delivery of the Raptor. We wanted to off-road it. We see these cars in LA all the time, but they don't actually get to experience the off-road. Seeing that woman pull up, that was a woman, by the way, in that dirty last generation Raptor. She goes, oh, I'm so embarrassed. I'm sorry, it's dirty, guys, whatever. I'm like, embarrassed? That's awesome. You're actually using the Raptor for what it's for. The only reason that this 2018 Raptor is not dirty is because he got it yesterday. So we went down this little hill. Sure, that's not a big deal whatsoever. The Raptor could probably jump that, and if I can convince Alex, we're gonna launch that at 150 miles an hour. I'm just kidding. We don't know much about off-roading. We're geeking out over the fact that it said we were going down 16 degrees, cracking jokes with our friends, showing the angle. I think we need to make a trip, and by think, I mean I know we need to make a trip back to the place where I off-roaded with Becca in that Wrangler, and we need to put this thing through its paces. Maybe potentially figure out some off-road guys who can help us and show us the ropes so that we don't mess up my buddy Alex's new $100,000 truck. That'd probably be good. All right, we're continuing our off-road journey. Look how convenient that screen is. I'm obsessed with that thing. And there's a hill climb up there that I don't think any of us have the balls to do, but I'll leave that up to Alex since it's his way. That is crazy. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, what? Yo, we found the mecca of off-roading, bro. What? This is actually a perfect example of how convenient this was. At the top of the hill, we could not see the trail ahead of us because the car was slanted so much. With the screen, you can see everything. Yeah, taking delivery of my Raptor. This is like the guys who do burnouts out of the showroom. This is like the Raptor equivalent. Day one, our Raptor off-road, we don't even know what we're doing, and holy shit. Wow. Let me know if you see if you're like nervous, I can help you with.
Well, what do you think?
Oh, wow.
About the rest of our road.
I think there's no way, bro. Let's go scout it out on foot. So I think the Raptor with its 450 horsepower and the twin turbos is a little more effective at hill climbing than me with no turbos and 450 pounds of weight. We're gonna see if we can do this. It's a little scary over there because there is the cliff, but in all honesty, I do think we can make it, but I'm not gonna be the one to pressure Alex into doing it, and the Raptor takes a tumble off the hill and taking delivery of my new Raptor and wrecking it in one day. It's not a good idea. It's purely limited based on how much guts we have and how much we're willing to risk your new vehicle.
With 600 miles on it.
Dude, I mean, to be frank, like 600 miles, we basically, yeah, it's done. So we might as well just send it. So just send it off here, you down? Yeah. So here's the problem. Obviously, we want to summit everything we just showed you, minus this part right here. So the Raptor's obviously very wide. It's off-road capable. The good thing about the Jeeps, the Wranglers, is that they're thinner, so you can get through more treacherous areas that require the vehicle to be thinner. I'm worried that 4 feet, 5 feet down, if the Raptor rolls down that, yeah, it's gonna be So, all right, come another like 5 feet. Keep going straight. A little more. Okay, so we're about to do this. I actually have a lot of faith in this. I'm just, you know, nervous because this is my buddy's new car and this is scary. Smash that like button. All right, you're totally good. Go this way. No, sorry, perfectly straight. You're good if you just go straight at me. You're chilling, you're chilling. Chilling, chilling. That was the hardest part by far. Let's go. Oh, God. Oh, hell yeah. Good job. Woo, we did it. This is freaking awesome, guys. I am having so much fun, and this is just random roads that we stumbled upon, not some crazy off-road park. Now we're gonna go get the drone, hit another road. It's nowhere near as severe, but unfortunately we don't have the drone in this area to do some more high speed. Maybe we'll even use Baja Mode in that section. Whew! We raptoring. I'm making that new term, raptoring. Oh my God! We're raptoring! We're raptoring descendant, boys! Alright, stop! Look at that. You've got it. Totally good. Totally chilling. Go. All right, good. All right. You raptoring, bro?
Dude, my detailer's gonna have a lot of work.
We're out here on this little off-road trail, nowhere near as intense as before, but this time we've got a drone. We can do this a little higher speed. We're thinking maybe some Baja run action, and the sun is setting, so we might get some beautiful sunset time lapse. Dude, congrats again. This is so dope.
Thank you.
What dealer did you get this from? This actually, you went all the way to Arizona to get this.
Yeah. So our homie James hooked it up. I went to AutoNation Scottsdale Ford, and the guys there, the GM, everybody helped me out immensely.
Dude, it turns out they're subscribers. Pretty much the only reason I'm bringing that up. Obviously, I didn't work with them in any way, shape, or form. He did say he had a good experience, but thank you guys so much for subscribing. And the smiles you're putting on my face right now in my boy's truck, I think I might need a Raptor is all I'm saying. And if anyone runs an off-road channel out there, seriously, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I would love to learn. If someone else even has a Raptor that's experienced and wants to come out with us sometime to show us the ropes, that would be sick. All right. Oh, it actually, low-key, looks super doable. Put it in off-road mode so we can see the front screen. Yeah. See, this is crazy. All of a sudden, I'm understanding the point of all of these screens. It's looking actually a little bit less intense as we get up there, but the screen is really helpful. The only thing I wish it had for it, if you're listening, is guidelines for the frontal camera so you know where the wheels are. I'm sure you learned that with experience, but for somebody who's new to the world and is experimenting with Raptor off-roading, it would be nice. Oh, dude, this is gonna send it. You're totally chilling.
That's sick. I totally thought it'd blown him out.
Dude, I actually thought like...
22
degrees! What's up, the fast lane truck?
Hey.
Dude, Roman, we gotta collab. We gotta hit that 29 degrees. You gotta teach us the 29-degree lifestyle. Wow, this is dope. And look, now you can see down. I can't see anything over the hood right now. It actually looks like a cliff, but on the screen, boom.
Look, dude.
What are we at, bro? We might hit some serious degrees. Keep going. I think we might hit like, oh man.
Only 17?
Only 17?
Dude, I feel like I'm
Dude, we are going straight into the ground. How'd they do 29? How'd you guys do 29?
I think the M2 and the Golf have ruined my
yeah, your idea of what's possible. I agree.
Yeah.
Are we in Baja mode?
No, we're in sport.
Oh, dude, we're just in sport. Oh, baby! Dude, that's the one sick thing about trucks is the limited weight in the rear. You throw it in rear wheel drive, you got 450 horsepower. Ooh, this thing slides. Oh my God. I can't believe I took my S-Class on this.
Yeah, that's crazy.
This Raptor is made for this. This is like child's play, yet at the same time, I can tell this is fun. Like, dude, this reminds me of like Dirt 9. This is Forza on off-road rally mode right now.
Should have kept that close ahead.
Well, the good news is that we experienced that before we did the donut. Because had we done it after the donut,
we would have been
it would have been like, and on today's episode, both of us choked and died of dust poisoning. Let's do something dope. Oh, whoa, wow. Touche.
That is what you gotta wait for.
Touche. That was scary. We almost crashed.
And we were driving
almost
slower.
Crashed, and they were on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah.
That's why. Oh! Look at all the sand! That's sick!
Raptoring! Raptoring!
Oh, that's my GoPro.
Oh, I forgot that's there.
It's okay. I worry more for your windshield wiper blades than my GoPro. Yeah, see, the good news is that's actually adds character, all this.
Oh, yeah.
I like that. It looks bad. Wait, hold on. You know what? I'm going to have to take a step outside, thankfully. Oh, fuck! That wasn't even exaggeration! Bro, Loki, I need the look on your face when you see your own truck, how sick it looks right now. Look at this, guys. That is a Raptor! That is sick!
That's what a Raptor's
Oh
supposed
my
to look like.
God! Right on the hood.
Oh, look, he's fanning it.
Oh, no way! Welcome to Frankie's drone detailing service. Oh wait, stop.
Yeah, it's a GoPro.
Could you imagine if we had ran it over?
That was sick!
Look at my GoPro right now. Look at the mount. It's just pure dirt. That is sick. Bloop.
Oh, covered.
Can it see anything? I just gotta say, guys, this has been one of the best days ever, and literally the only plan was my boy got a new truck. Let's take it off-roading. We don't even know any dope off-roading locations. Let's just do some pedestrian lame stuff, and it turned out to be one of the best days ever. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button. If you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? We just off-roaded this Raptor. We did some crazy stuff. I know some of you off-roading people are gonna be like, it wasn't all that crazy, but smash that subscribe button anyways, because we'll learn. Oh, by the way, E63 versus new M5 review, yeah, that's coming your way ASAP, so turn that notification bell on so you don't miss it. I look forward to seeing you next video.